बस हमको जूम பண்ணுங்க
ஏதோ அதுவும் பண்ணாதீங்க
பூம் சைஸ் இது சேர் ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தி
யார் ரொம்ப பெருசு
ஒரு சேர் நிறைய சேர் ஒரு சேர் இது உள்ளது
சரிங்க ஓகே அது வெளியே எடுத்துரு
टिकटिंग அப்படியே விட்டு
அது கஷ்டமா இருக்குமே இருக்க சீட் இருக்கா நீ எவ்வளோ மிஸ் இன்னும் யார் யாரும்
அஜி எங்க இருக்கா அருணராஜ்
விலட்ச கேட்கணும் உள்ள
கேட்கும்
யாரும் வெளியே போகலாம் அதுதான்
Good morning all. Like today we are opening up a discussion session. Like this is a technical discussion. We can put it in this way. Like this is to discuss the things that we know or someone wants to know about. So when it comes to like a discussion, we'll be discussing like what is the actual thing going on in technology or what is the technology. That is a discussion about. We are naming this discussion at Tech Talk, technical discussion. Okay, here persons will be presenting their idea. They'll be like we'll be previously mentioning the agenda, what it is about, and we'll be like the presenter. What he will do is he'll share the idea of his knowledge regarding the technology. If a person inside the meeting, like if they know about something about the topic, they can also come up and say that okay, guys, this I know. I'll take up this and I'll explain this. They can also know, and the session will be like an interactive session in which people will be stopping in the middle and asking like, what is this? I want to know about more about this, or can you go deeper into this, or you can slow up a session like so that we'll be getting an idea of it. So today's topic is about first thing we are going to see about a Catalan studio, which is an automation testing studio. Here the thing is like the developer even can go into the tool and unit test. We can call it a unit test before we produce to the actual quality testing. So this session is going to be taken up by Parthiban, and the next section we are going to see about is chatbots. Chatbots are an interesting topic, like including the inside the chatbots we'll be seeing about natural language processing and things like what is the need for a chatbot, what actually a chatbot does, and what it is like, what is the running in background. So this we are doing in a sense like we are on different client places. So we'll be hearing requirements. So we want to know like if we can process the technology or not. We need to know that we can do this or not. So we can come back to the company and suggest like this is going on, boss. So we can suggest things. So we basically what we'll do is we'll be in the same base, like all over the company. We'll maintain a same base so that things will be flowing within the company. Okay, like we are as we seen in the Employee Connect, we were not knowing each other. Most of us were strangers. Still, we were in the same company. So we want to close up this gap basically. So this meetings kind of discussions will be going on every month at the last Saturday. And people can suggest, okay, take this topic and take up the session, or I want to present this topic, kind of things you can come up with, and we'll be arranging the sessions accordingly. And these sessions are included with free lunch, as promised by Prashad. That's all. We'll enter the session for now. We are going to start with Catalan Studio.
Okay, good morning to everyone. My name is Parthiban. I'm working in KG around 3 years. Basically, I'm an automation tester and I have experience 4 years in automation testing, and I worked in different automation tools like UFT and Selenium. So, anyway, I'm just exploring other automation tool. I'm just comparing previous tool like Selenium or UFT, any other tool. So I just explored the new automation tool. Currently is in a market. So in the market now it's moving. So many companies started using this automation tool. This is a Catalan Studio. Actually, this is very easy to business user as well as the testers and the developers also. Okay, so I just want to share with you about the Catalan Studio. Okay, let me start. Okay, the Catalan Studio developed by KMS Technology. Currently, this is open. Anyway, in future also it should be open. Okay, they also informed it will not be commercial. This will be open, so no worry. We can start using this application in our developed applications or previous applications. Okay, this is very major points we have in the Catalan Studio. This is quick and easy setup. So we have a Selenium and you have any idea about automation tool? Anybody? Okay. Okay.
No.
Okay. First, I'll explain the automation. What is the automation and what is the automation tool? Okay. Normally, we are doing the testing. Everyone knows about the testing, quality testing, and for the automation testing means we are just automating our application. Okay. For example, the manual testing we are just doing. Click the. I can say the example also. We have a login. Okay, we have a username and password. Okay, so we are just entering the password and the username. Click login. So it should be navigate to the particular main page or corresponding pages. So the developer developed already. We just make sure, yeah, this is moved to the navigation page. This is moved to the main page. We are just make sure our requirement is working fine. Okay, so this is the normal testing. So we are just using the automation different tool to automate our steps. Okay, this is purposeful for repeatable and regression testing. Okay, for example, if you are doing login 5 times, okay, this is okay. But if you want to log in 100 times, 1,000 times, because definitely the user have many user IDs and password. Okay, so you have to enter everything whether it is working fine or not. Are any errors and any errors are there. So if you are using automation tool, you can write only few steps of enter username and password, click login button. We are just verifying particular screen navigated or not. That's it. So you can input different data. Okay, different data in the same task. Okay, we can achieve our goal. Okay, no need to sit in front of the system. You can just click the button. Once you completed automation script, you just click the button. It will be do everything and it will give a clear report to the user. Okay, this is the time saving and it will be quality wise it will be very high. Definitely the user do some mistakes. For example, few data missed are not verified properly, but application wise it will be verified and it will be report whether it is working fine or not. Okay, this is the automation tool. So we are just using in the market. We have many commercial tool and open source tool. Commercial tool means the HP they are providing for the UFT. Okay, and the tool we can even our client we are used in the Amgen or a few companies we are used in KG also. We just implemented the automation. We just used the Selenium as well as the UFT also. Okay, so you have idea about automation tool. So I can enter to the new automation tool. And the Catalan Studio, this will be, I just explored the Catalan Studio, I just impressed. Because this will be very easy to, even the business user can create the script, they can execute. And the report will be okay. And even developer, before releasing their task or before releasing their part, they can just record, they can re-execute. Okay, for the regression purpose, the functional testing, we can do that. Okay, so in the Catalan Studio, quick and easy setup. Okay, so in the Catalan Studio, no need to go for any configurations or any setup. You just download from their websites. You can open. Okay, you don't want to set up, you don't want to configure anything. So it will be very easy. Even non-technical persons also can do that. And the flexible mode, we have in the previous automation tool, we need to write the script, individual scripts. We have to write enter username, enter password kind of thing. But these applications, we have a recording options. You just record the function. You just start record and do your actions. Okay, and you can put your input also. Okay, once done, you can go and change whatever you want. The test data you have to change, you can change and you can re-execute. Okay, n number of time you can execute. Only one time we recorded, but you can use in future, or a regression should also. Okay, the script, if your knowledge in the script, then it will be more advantage, and you can create a number of the reusable steps, and easily you can handle the complex scenarios. You can do that if you know the languages. And in these applications, they are using the Groovy languages. That will be very simple language, Groovy or Java. Okay, if you know Java, then it will be okay. You can easily create the scripts. At least you have to know the Groovy. Okay, if you are stopping the recording mode, so no need to go for any script. Okay, still if you have interested in the scripting and you have to write the complex scenarios, then you can go for the script mode, and you have to learn a little bit about the Groovy scripts. Okay, that will be very simple. Only the steps wise, the setup or click or enter kind of. We have some keywords also. Okay, then these application we can use in that different OS, different operating systems. Like Macintosh, Windows, and Linux also. So if you are using different environment also, no worry. You just create on in the Windows the same content you can use, same script you can use in that Linux and Macintosh also. Okay. Then very easy to use, so you can easily understand. This is the test case. This is the object repository. So this is very easy to understand the flow also. Okay, then better and faster result. It will be a very faster results, and once you executed everything, we have a lot many type of reports. This is customized. If you want, you can write a customized report, or else the Catalan Studio will provide the detailed kind of report. Okay, the images, video. If you are facing any issues, it will be a produce video. It will give a screenshots, everything. So you can easily understand. Okay, this is the issue. Okay, and the Azure free deployment. So already told you. So we don't have any setup. This is packaged one. Okay, we don't want to download any libraries or any dependencies or any third party. Okay, if you are keep on updating the particular Catalan Studio, you can get all the update or all the libraries. Okay. Okay. So why we need to use the Catalan Studio? Anyway, we have some other applications, or else somebody are not using any automation tool. So why we need to start the automation tool, or why we need to use the Catalan Studio? Okay, this is already we discussed. Anyway, the freely available, so no worry, this is completely free. Okay, in the latest version also will be free. Okay, the easy installation. We don't want to configure anything. We don't want to set up anything. You just download from their websites. You just log in, then you just download, then you just unzip the file, and you can just open. Okay, then the built-in project templates. Okay, in our Selenium or any other applications, we need to create some frameworks or framework templates. Like what are all the folder we need to have, like a test case or any other screenshots folder, report folder. But here we already have a template. They provided the tree structure. Okay, they already provided, so easily you can manage. You don't want to create any folders or any templates. Okay, we have a record and playback option. So if you have applications, you just directly you just navigate your website. You just put your website and you just start recording. So it will be capture all the information about your applications, and in future, if you have any update or any new field added or removed, you can go and update in the particular recording session also. Okay, for example, we have a 500 field in our flow. So sometimes they will change something. We face the SST or GST implementation also. So they have include few fields and they have changed some functionality to other fields. So this is not a big deal. You just go and open the recording session and you just change the script. You just change a few keywords. That's it. And if you want to change the test data also, very easy here. And the limited coding skill required. That's why I said, if you know the coding, it will be more advantage. If you don't know, then you just record and play back. For the minimal scenario or basic scenario, if you're going for a complex scenario, if you want to handle the complex scenario, definitely you have to know a little bit the coding knowledge. So that's why we have a support for the Groovy Java. Okay, if you have a knowledge in Java or a Groovy, it will be more advantage. Okay, the built-in object repository and object definitions. Okay, in the application will work for based on the objects. Every applications will work on the based on the objects. So object has one data like object definition will say some conditions like it will store the object informations. Okay, in the Selenium or other tools, we need to maintain separately for the object informations. But in this tool, it will be auto capture the object informations, or in future if changed, you just go and update it. Okay, then it will be these application we can use for the web-based testing, mobile-based testing, and database testing, web services testing. Okay, and minimum level of performance testing also we can do that. Okay, and the support data-driven testing. Sorry, the automation is mainly useful for the data-driven testing. Data-driven, we already discussed. One task with multiple data. For example, I'm just saying the insurance domain. Insurance domain, we have a new business, endorsement, cancellation, and reinstatement. Okay, we just create a new business one scenario. Okay, for a private car or something like that. Okay, so we have a scenario one private car, but different cases will be there. Like customer will start the cover notes, or user, or direct. So many scenarios will come. Okay, so we can write with the same script with different test data. Write one test case with a different test data. We can put the different test data. We can achieve our executions. Okay, then experienced programmers can create and execute. Anyway, if you are experienced in the coding, you can create sophisticated scripts, and you can create the complex script also. Okay, then these application will work for the different browsers. I think all browsers, maybe the Chrome, Firefox, Safari, all browsers we can use. If you want to use any compatibility testing for your application developed in the IE, you want to check in the Safari or anything, you can execute. You don't want to go and check anything manually for all applications. You just create one script, but you can execute multiple browsers or multiple OS also. You can do that. Okay, and we can integrate our script. Okay, we just stored our script and we are just maintaining our report in the Catalan Studio. Even we can integrate with some other tool like Jira, Jenkins also. Okay, this is more advantages. Previous application we don't have these options. Okay, the integration kind of things. So in this application is supports to integrate with some other applications. Okay, then we have a detailed report. Anyway, I'll show the reports, everything. So we can get a detailed report. Detailed means, for example, how many executed, how many passed, how many failed, how many exception handled. Okay, these kind of thing. This is in the Catalan Studio. We have a support. This is open source application. Still, this is open source application, but we have a support. If you are facing any issues in the applications or any script level, then you can ask or you can raise to them. Then they will answer. And even we have a detailed documentation and the user manual in the same websites. You can download. They explain the every steps of the navigations, and they handled many scenarios. It will be very useful. Okay.
Next. Next.
Okay. So now you have idea about the Catalan maybe. Okay. So why we are going for the Catalan studio? That's why we discussed. So okay. Then I just explained. If you are new to the testing, it will be very hard to understand. Anyway, I just explained how much I can. Okay, then Catalan we have a different features. Different features like first of all we have to create the test cases. That's why in the testing terminology we can say the test design. Okay, before going to the run anything, we have to create the script. Okay, create the test cases. So in the Catalan studio we have options to record and playback. Okay, individually we can record complete applications, or any part, individual part also we can record and playback. And we have options for the spy objects. So in previous application we don't have options to identify the particular objects. This is some advantages. So you can directly get the object information from the applications. And we can easily write the test cases if you are knowledge in the coding level, or if you are okay, then you can write the test cases and you can design the test shoot. Okay, then we can say in the new business we have a different scenarios: private car, motorcycle, or a commercial vehicle. Few scenarios will be there. We can group into one test shoot. Okay, we have individual test cases anyway, but we are just grouping into the test shoot. Okay, so today I'm just going to release our product, our latest release. Okay, this is impacted to the new business scenarios, or impacted to the renewal scenarios. End of the day, I'm just executing. Once deployment done, I'm just executing the particular shoot. It will be doing some testing for all new business scenarios. Then you can get the report. You have a confidence before you are giving to the deployment, before giving to the users or UAT. Okay, then we have a test objects. We already discussed the test objects means the test objects we will be captured from the applications. Then in the Catalan studio they have provided many keywords like this will be very simple, click or a double click or select, these kind of keywords. Okay, if you are familiar, if you want new keywords also, you can create the functions. Right? And you can add and you can use. Okay, and we have rich verification scenarios. That's why I said, for example, login also we have multiple scenarios. Enter the username, password, click. Okay, we are expecting many kind of exceptions. Okay, password mismatch or alphanumeric, kind of so many. The error message will come. Okay, so this is we just checking the verification. Okay, that's why we are saying that one test case, one time creation, but we can use multiple times or repetitive. Okay, the text execution. Once everything is done, we created our scripts. Okay, we can go for the test execution. Test execution, we can execute the individual test cases or test shoot. Okay, if you want to execute the individual cases, I just want to execute the new business private car scenario. You can do that. You can execute only the new business scenario. If you want to execute group of test cases also can. And the test shoot collection also executed. We have a test shoot collections, different collection also we can execute in the Catalan studio. And we have very attractive options of the debugging methodology. Debugging for automation. Every developers or testers know what is the debugging. That will be very difficult to understand where is the issue and where is the problem. So
you're talking about debugging automation, right? Will that take screenshots?
Yeah, this is taking the screenshot everything. Yeah.
Screenshots.
In this Catalan studio, even it will be in case of faced any issues in our scripts or execution, it will be auto capture the screenshot as well as the video also. Okay, you can easily find out where is the issue. Okay, then the exception handling or failure handling. This is the main part of our any automation or development. So we have to handle everything because it should not be affect to the following steps. Okay, it unexpectedly it's open some pop-up session expired within 10 minutes or something like that. So it should not stop our execution because our automation always going in the midnight, or without we should not sit in front of the system whenever we are executing the automation tool. So it should not stop our execution. So we have a rich exception handling methodologies in the Catalan Studio. Okay, next the test report. We have a different report they are provided in the Catalan Studio. In the test shoot report, we can get the how many test case executed, how many failed, how many exception handled, how many warning is there. You can get the test shoot report. The clear report will be there. We have a link. You can go one by one. Even the step by step, second by second, it will be create a log for our testing. And the test shoot collection report also same. And we have a execution log. Okay, the Catalan Studio will record every seconds. If it is weighted, it's clicked or selected, so everything will be recorded. In case if you future you want to check any error or any handling, you can go and check the execution log. And that's why he asked, the video capturing and the screenshot capturing is available in the Catalan Studio. And even we can export our results to some other reports, like if you are familiar with the JSON or HTML, then still you can export into your convenient report structure. Okay, next the parameterization. We already discussed anyway the data driven testing. This is major part of our automation tool. Okay, the repetitive task we have to do. So we can handle the parameterization, the mobile objects and the web objects and database. Web service is also handled in the parameterization. Okay, the same scenario with the different data. And in the Catalan Studio, you can maintain the test data also very easily. And we have options for the integrations. We can integrate our script into Git, Jira, some other tools. Okay, for if you want to store your reports or your script into a GitHub and you have to raise the defect into the Jira also, you can do from these applications. And this is a very important one, the Catalan Analytics. Catalan Analytics, they have provided for the cloud-based report. Okay, for example, your team executing in the offshore or on-site. Okay, then it's still the manager can see, manager can view the all reports. What's going on? What is the report? How many cases executed? They have a login, they can log in and they can check their reports, their team report or project-wise reports. Okay, this will be more advantages in the Catalan Studio. I just show the Catalan Studio application. This is the Catalan Studio application. This is completely packaged. No need to go and download. No need to download any libraries. No need to map anything. So you just want to create one project. So this will be automatically created. The template will be automatically created. We have I already explained what is the test cases, object repository. Anyway, I'll show that. Okay. You can create the number of test cases. Okay. You can create whatever you want. You can create in the test cases, and the object repository will be auto stored. And if you want still. Okay, 1 minute. This is the step actually. Once you recorded, these steps will be loaded. Then easily you can understand, open browser, navigate to URL and wait for page load and for the set text. So we have a test data. If you want to change the test data, you can go and change here. Or else, still if you are using any external data like CSV or Excel, still you can use like, I'm just using the KEC login username and one. Okay, like we have some keywords we can use in that from the external file also. Still you can use the manual, the static input or external input also you can use. Okay.
Want me to open it?
Now, you just open anything. Okay, this is the object definition, object repository. All object will be stored here, and if you have no idea about the objects, then you have to know a little bit. Okay, the application will work based on the objects. Okay, so this is the object information. You can get from the Google or anywhere. You can click F12. You can get all informations. Okay, and still if you want to change anything, or if you're familiar with the XPath or CSS, still you can change here. Or else keep on. You just go and respy again. Okay, reload again. Then it will be auto captured from the applications. Done. Test issue. Okay, this is the test issue actually. So we have individual test cases. We can group, click here. Yeah, we can group here, and we have a control run, no run. Okay, for example, we have in the test issue we have 100 cases. Still we can check and uncheck. Okay, based on the selection, it will be executed. So only you have to record, and you just set up here the test issue. If you want the test issue, you can set up here and execute. Then the data files, and we can maintain the test data in the external test data. I'm just using the data from my desktop. Okay, you can still use our external test data also. And we have a checkpoints and keywords. Checkpoints, we have a lot many checkpoints in the databases or normal web applications. So we can add number of test cases or checkpoints. Okay, whenever you want, you can add the checkpoints. Okay, for example, the text present or a particular cover note created with this series. So we can you can create the checkpoints in the applications. Okay, the keyword already we discussed. The keyword means already they have defined a few keywords, click or double click or something. Still, if you want to write any functions, then you can do that. And the reports, click enter. This is a simple report. Okay, you can get the report here. Okay, this is the simple report. Anyway, after demo, I just show the various type of reports. Anyway, this is simple report, simple log actually. Okay, once everything is done, we executed, then you can get the test issued ID and what is the platform we used and what is the OS we used, and you can check the timing also. So I said you can use for the performance testing also. You are expecting for this logging 1 minute or 2 minutes, but you can check here. Okay, manually it will be very difficult to calculate the timing. So the automation we can achieve the performance testing also, and how many passed, how many failed, how many error are incomplete. You can get all the information in the Catalan Studio. Okay. Okay. This is how we execute. I just explained. I never showed anything. I never demoed anything to you. I demonstrated anything to you. I just explained what is a Catalan Studio. What is a Catalan Studio? What is the options we have? And do you have any doubt in the understanding what is the automation tool and why we are going for a Catalan Studio? And what is the special options we have compared to other tools? And even the manual testers, this will be opportunity to take into automation. And still, if you are a developer, you can use for a confident testing. Okay, just we are giving once our deployment or release everything is done, you can check one more time. And even if you are a business user, still you can use. For example, you don't want to know the coding knowledge, so you just explore the applications and you can create your requirements. Okay, still you can make sure, okay, this is my requirement, everything is completed before giving to the customer. Okay, so thanks. Okay, do you have any doubt?
Okay, suppose if I were a business user,
Mhm.
I don't have any coding knowledge,
Mhm.
and I just do a screen record.
Correct.
How will the test script look like?
The
The output.
output will be the same. Okay.
Curious, I want to say. How will the output look?
Yeah,
Test script,
I'll show. Okay, I'll
So
show.
that's one thing I want to say.
Okay.
Can we do the premium calculations inside?
Yeah, can. That's why I said the verification and assertion.
Mhm.
Okay, we can write the assertions. We have assertion checkpoints and assertion, Okay, so we can calculate in that particular functions. We can directly calculate. And for the complex scenario, still we need to go for the scripting level.
Okay.
This is the very basic level. Still we can go for recording level. If you have a different formulas, if you want to apply different formulas with a different data, still you have to go to the coding level. But the very minimal.
But the coding level, we have to go under the checkpoints or?
No, you just open here.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, this one. Okay, this is actually the manual part. We have a script part also. Okay, here we have a script. Okay, still you can write the conditions here. Here we have simple steps like set text or click or something like that. We have some other accession option also. And if you are interested in the coding, then you can write the functions here. You can use the formulations.
Okay.
Okay, but that's why the complex scenario still we have to go for the coding level little bit.
Okay.
Okay, fully we cannot achieve in that recording level. If you are a very basic level of business users, or you don't want to go for any in-depth level of application, still you can go for recording.
Okay.
Okay, this is very simple language, the Groovy. We can easily learn, and if you are familiar in the Java, it will be more advantages. Okay, so just demonstrate the Catalan Studio with one scenario. Okay, first I'll explain how we are going to record anything. Okay, so we have options for mobile record and web-based applications record. Okay, simply we'll go and click here. Okay, this is the URL, your application's URL. Then we can select the multiple browsers, your installed browsers. I just select this one. Okay, this is the application. You can directly enter.
No, 360. 3060. M30
0.
0
Zero.
60 வந்து டீல் பண்ணிடுங்க 260.
Yeah. Okay, it will be captured. Okay, so if you completed your record, you just stop here. It will be all captured. The informations and your enter details also captured. The password will be encrypted. Okay, you can just click OK. Okay, so it's created already. So if you want to run, simply you can run from here.
Can they export this?
We can export.
Is it free?
It's open source.
Open source.
நாம எதுக்கு யூஐ பார்த்து வைக்கணும் ஏதாச்சும் நாமளே நம்மள ஒரு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக் பண்ணிடலாம்
Okay, if you want to execute,
பண்ண முடியுமான்னு கேட்குறேன்
can, but this is the major difficulty we can achieve in the web-based applications and mobile-based application. If you are using like IBM frameworks, any desktop,
somewhere some of the application where they don't want to invest.
they can use. Still, they can use.
In our internal application, a lot of things.
Yeah. That's why I'm just giving the.
Good.
Still, I'm just moving to the. In case of any interested in the application, definitely we can implement in the Catalan Studio. Okay. Okay, if you want, you can just execute the scenario. running state also you can get the informations from our catalog. Okay. So you can get report either pass or fail here. The detailed report here. You can get all information, and still if you need any detailed report, then you can go on it here. And here you can select the date and time. We have different types of reports like a HTML report and CSV and a JSON kind of report also we have. So you can get all report here. Okay. If you set up the video capturing or image capturing, you can do that. Currently I'm not mentioning anything. So if you are set up in the applications, you can do that. Okay. So have a record for the new business flow. This is our general new business flow. Okay, I'm just set up in the test data here externally. Simply I just started. And we get a log where the second wise report also we can get, and how many passed, how many failure, how many error also we can get it easily. And we have a log. In the output we can store something like I just captured the cover note number. So you can store anywhere in the externally or any next flow input also it will be there. You can just input into the next flow also. So the container you can get different type of reports. Then I'll show you one the Catalan cloud-based report. In the Catalan, they are providing the cloud-based report. This will be very helpful for managing they have to get to know how many cases executed, how many passed, what is the status is going on in the testing team or a development team. Okay, you can get these kind of reports. It will be very attractive, and you can go one by one also for the test shoot. We have a link in the, okay, how many passed, how many failed, how many errors. Okay, this will be updated once you are executed. It will be auto upload into a cloud. So whenever you want, you can open and you can check your the status.
Which means the Catalan Studio should be linked to internet. Yeah,
Yes,
or
correct.
both, like it can
Yeah.
work offline.
If internet is okay, it's online, then it will be auto upload. If offline, you can still upload. Okay, once connected, you can upload manually also. It will be update the latest reports into the Catalan Studio. So you can segregate into different the test shoot wise and the test case wise also you can go.
Is it possible to control this upload reports?
Yeah, we can control. We have options. Still, if you want to upload, you can. If you want to upload, then you can do that. Otherwise, you can stop. No problem.
I want to deny that.
Yeah, can. We have integrations like the Catalan Analytics. Okay, we have settings also. So you just go simply enable integration, just disable. That's it. Okay. If you want analytics, then you can use. The same thing, we have a Jira or a GitHub. If you install, then if you want, you can integrate. Otherwise, you can deny everything.
Do we need to deploy any plugins in the Jira for the configuration integration?
Yeah, if in the system, if you have a Jira, then directly it will be dedicated to that. The same setup. For example, we are just using the same URL, the same kind of things.
Okay.
Like the same
But
queue
for
test.
that, do we need to put any integration tools, plugins or something like that?
Inside the Jira or
Inside the Jira?
Jira, I think, yeah, we need to put Jira integrations. I think we already downloaded the library. In the Catalan, we have already downloaded integrations. So you don't want to go for any
Yeah, but
download library.
in the Catalan, no issues. But
Mm.
in the Jira, do we need to?
No need.
put
No
any
need.
Catalan?
No need. Still, if it's connected, then okay.
Mm.
If it is not connected, the next time it will be upload.
Okay.
For example, today anything happened in the internet in our system, so it will not upload anything the online. Okay. So if the next day you can still upload manually, you can upload. So that's why you can see the report here. We have options to Catalan upload like the same. The Jira also, Jira and GitHub also the same.
Still, the cloud base is also open source. Or
Yeah. This is completely depends on the open source. That's why they are using the Selenium and the Appium libraries. The Selenium is already the open source application. The Appium is a mobile open source applications. Okay, still you can create the script for the mobile or web services or a database. Whatever you want, you can do that. Only the disadvantages few. We cannot automate the window-based applications like AS400, any other applications. We cannot do that. Okay, these limitations will be the all open source tool. Maybe the Selenium also we cannot do the AS400. Only the web-based applications. But here they are giving the web-based and the mobile-based, some other automation also we can do in the Catalan Studio. Yeah,
is that Catalan Studio will work as something like Jenkins? Once the tester are completed or every tester passed, then
yeah, that will
move
be
it
done.
to the
That's why
production.
we have an integration with the Jenkins, continuous integrations. Once done, it will be uploaded. If you want to send me any emails, also we can do that.
No, I want directly deploy in.
Yeah, we can do that.
production,
Yeah, we can do that.
like CACD. Right?
Yeah, that will be a continuous integration. Will be the same. The next, yeah. If you have any questions, you can ask.
In the last page, when you get to the cover note,
Yeah.
so there will be a cover note printing will be there.
Yeah, correct.
So can we identify whether the PDF is printed or is printed?
We can do that. We can do that. Even if you want to save anywhere, we can save. For example, already generated, you want to store somewhere in the folder with the name, the date and time also, tower node number also, we can do that.
Email automation can be done.
Sorry?
Email automation.
We can.
We can say.
Yeah, we can do
alerts
this.
and-
For the every execution, it will be sent out the email, and we have a template also. You can define your template in the Catalan Studio.
Here we can put email template.
Yeah,
And
we have a default. If you want, you can add whatever you want.
Okay, after this, like say, I have thousands of email accounts. So how it will pick it up one by one? Kind of a mail merge I want to do.
The same thing, right? We can put it to a two option C. The semicolon, it will be sent out.
I just want to give it in Excel.
Okay.
I'll give you the all email address
Okay.
and the names.
Okay.
It has to do the mail merge.
Yeah, we can do the mail merge.
You can do that, right? Same content, but the name.
The
will
same
be-
content, but the
Sender
the
name, I mean-
sender will be different. Correct, we can do this.
Something like a bulk email, right?
bulky.
Bulky.
We can do it, right?
Now we can do that in that.
I think we should do one POC.
Yeah, we have a POC actually.
No, for that we have.
Yeah, that one we can do that. Oh,
We have.
Okay, I think you continue. You're asking something?
No, no.
Okay, like when it comes to database, we have to pick like test database. When it comes to test databases, which are the databases it supports, like connections,
connections, all connections with the MySQL, SQL. What are you saying?
Okay, let's say
connectors, SQL.
SQL is a very common thing because
Mhm.
we already have so many drivers.
Mhm.
What about the MySQL database? Something like MongoDB,
Yeah.
something like that.
I think few we have. The common databases we have, and the MongoDB or a new DB we have to explore.
I think maybe there is something called ORM, right? ORM, object oriented or something like that. I mean modules. If you do that, I think any database can be fixed with that. So
Yeah. If
can this be done?
in the Catalan we don't have any libraries, we can download the libraries. For example, we have a connections I have done for even other databases also, other than these MySQL or SQL. You can download the libraries. We already have a set of libraries. Still, if you want to connect some other than this one, you can download from their website also the connection for the libraries.
Yeah. We can, which means that we can still create our own custom libraries. Like,
No, you just upload. That's it. Sorry.
like, is there a provision for creating?
Yeah, we have. That's why I'm saying that if you want to, if you going for the complex scenarios or different scenarios, still you have to create the script. That's why I said at least you have to get the knowledge in the Groovy Java a little bit.
Is it possible to create test beds for the test cases? Let's say I want to create a test bed with I have a web application and I need my test bed is with Windows Explorer, so Internet Explorer 9 and all other Internet Explorer versions.
Okay.
Let's say one system will have multiple applications. It's one test bed, and another test bed will have different kind of.
You said I'm just saying that shoot also we have. The
yes,
collections.
Yeah. Okay. Shoot. In the recording, you will choose Chrome, right?
Yes, correct.
I want to run Chrome, IE, and
The parallel execution you asked.
Yeah.
We can
Parallel
achieve it.
execution, and I need just in the old browser in with the same script which I recorded in at one time.
Yeah, we can.
Just
In
like
that Catalan, we have some integration tools lab or something like that. We have some integration tool also we have. We can pass the value, we have passed the script into the particular cloud, we can test.
What if, like, today you developed for a Chrome, but when I go and test it in another system, I'm using IE or maybe some other
Okay,
tool.
we can do that. We just change the selections,
But the same script.
the same script. That's why I
But
just
while recording, you choose.
yeah, I choose the Chrome, but if you want, that's what I'm saying. You you can use for the compatibility testing also. You just created the script for the IE, but still if you want to execute in the Chrome or any Firefox, we can do just selection. You can set up.
I think that is the question, right?
That one is, and the another thing is, let's say, GUI based test. Let's say the appearance of the web page.
Okay.
Is there any difference between Safari or IE? We can test something like that.
Yeah, we have to, that's why we are going for the compatibility testing. We are just creating the script for Chrome, but still we just execute the different browsers. If you faced any issues, then we have to go to the developers.
There's two types of issue. One is displaying the web page in the same manner which developer developed.
Okay.
Otherwise, IE will act different when we view that web page.
Okay.
Let's say IE will not support some bootstrap libraries, and the orientation of page will change, the width will be changed. That kind of things.
Okay.
Is it possible to test with the
We can test. Actually, the Catalan Studio will work with the object based. Okay, object based. For example, your input has a unique values like a ID or a name. Okay, it will be common for all browsers.
Yes.
Okay, irrespective of the images, irrespective of the width or something, it will be work. Still, it will work.
It will
But
work.
he asking for alignments.
Alignments. Actually, I want to test the images. What you are
Images.
saying there.
Okay.
I need to test the design, whether the
Or
design,
design
is,
we cannot test here.
design is equal to all browser, or it will changing based on the browser.
No, actually this is object based actually. So only you can test the object is working fine. You can test, but you cannot check the images and alignments.
Let's say what's the scenario is, I'm using some JavaScript library to display my menu in some kind of a design. Let's say I customize my menu in some with animation, but it's not working in IE. I developed with Chrome, but it's not working in IE.
Okay.
So that one we cannot test, right? But IE will have that element.
Yeah,
but
correct.
it won't act something which act in the Chrome.
Yeah, correct.
That's one I need to test.
We can explore this one actually. Questions?
Okay. So
Okay, thank you very much. Next slide.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay guys, like the end of the first session, we'll dismiss and for a break, and we'll join the meeting after the break.
Correct.
Okay, Hindi silver.
Okay, what time will you go for lunch? Let us fix that first.
And the place for the lunch we decided is
Aragon.
வாங்க இந்த பேர் சொங்க ரெடி பண்ணிடுவோம்
Office party.
finish.